Well, hi, everybody. Good Tuesday morning to you. Meteorologist Travis Kleneski here, starting us off on a cold note this morning, but a clear note. Fog is pushing to our east. There are a few clouds in northwest Nebraska. That's where they should affect the areas up to the north and northwest for the most part. We might see a few passing high clouds, but mainly sunny skies are expected today. A little bit more of a breeze today than yesterday out of the west and northwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour. A cold front backs into northeast Nebraska, but doesn't make much progress into our area, mostly affecting eastern Nebraska with some colder conditions tonight, closer to that high pressure in Iowa. The rest of us, a clear night ahead of us. Small chance of patchy fog, but I think the chance of that materializing is pretty low. A lot of that depends on snowmelt. Snowmelt and the winds out there. We are going to see a lot of snowmelt, so there's going to be added moisture in the environment, but west winds I think will prevent that from getting to be too much of an issue for tonight. Tomorrow then, lots of sunshine returning. A bit of a west and southwest wind for tomorrow at 10 to 15 miles per hour, and warmer temperatures on the way as that cold front that was in eastern Nebraska will move away from us as a warm front, and we will see a nice warm up coming in for the middle of the week. Highs today topping on mid to upper 30s, a few low 40s, at or above average for this time of the year. We're going to shoot for upper 30s in the Tri-Cities. As for tonight then, back down into the teens, maybe a few low 20s out there. The coldest readings in eastern Nebraska, closer to that area of high pressure. Tomorrow then, we're going to bump those temperatures up into the 40s, low 40s in the northeast, near 50 or maybe some low 50s in the southwest. We'll shoot for mid 40s in the Tri-Cities. Then, probably a degree or two cooler. Most places still in the 40s on Thursday. But we're going to see more clouds around on Thursday, and I think that'll hold temperatures back just a little bit. A trough is going to move through. It's an upper-level wave coming in from the Pacific coast, and that's going to bring some high-level cloudiness to the area. So partly to mostly cloudy skies for your Thursday as we see highs back into the 40s. More sunshine returns on your Friday, and we'll be back to the mid and upper 40s, but it's the weekend and early next week that are looking pretty darn nice right now. How about 50s, widespread 50s, including the first day of winter on Sunday? This is looking good, and I probably am playing the pessimistic game too much. I would not be surprised if we sit and get into the upper 50s to maybe near 60 degrees with your best bet of 60 off to the southwest. It's likely we'll see the warmest temperatures off to the southwest. We've got some nice weather ahead of us here for that 3-day stretch of Saturday through Monday. But what follows Monday? Of course, Christmas Eve is Tuesday. Christmas Day is Wednesday. Forecast high temperatures do come down a bit. It looks like towards the middle of next week. Right now, looking at the two long-range forecast models for the middle of next week, the European forecast model keeps things fairly quiet and dry, but gets a little colder like this model is showing. The GFS forecast model has been consistently hitting at a chance of precipitation around Christmas Day or the day after, somewhere in there, and is mostly keeping it as rain and maybe some thunderstorms. Does have some instability. It's been over the last couple of days throwing in some instability for Christmas Day, and so can't rule out thunder and lightning, but it is still way too far away. It's still 9 days away yet here until we get to Christmas, so it's not in the realm of that 7-day forecast yet, which means that forecast is very I'm not very confident in it yet. It's low confidence forecast because we're just too far away from that time frame yet. But it's something to keep in mind as we get a little bit closer. We may have to throw in not only a chance of maybe some rain, but maybe thunder and lightning on your Christmas Day forecast. Wouldn't that be something? That would be like, what, 3 of the last 5 years having thunder and lightning on Christmas? Isn't that just crazy? Because, of course, we all remember the line of thunderstorms that came through the middle of the day, I want to say 3 years ago, maybe 4 years ago. I think it was 3 years ago, 2016, I think is the year it was. And, of course, we had severe thunderstorm warnings. We had a couple of tornadoes, the first Christmas tornado since, in forever here in central Nebraska. And then the nasty winds that came Christmas night, if you all remember that, 70 to 80 plus mile per hour gusts that came in, just nasty, nasty winds. The year before that, we had thunder and lightning with cold sleet and snow. It was thunder, snow, thunder, sleet, and rain, drizzle. It was just the weirdest of nights that night. That was Christmas night, I think 2005. So, hey, maybe we can do it again this year. We'll see. It's a long ways yet. We've got some stuff to figure out first. But like I said, we will trend a little cooler, although more forecast models are now trending away from the bitterly cold air that was looking to come in towards the end of the month of December. Doesn't look like we may get quite that cold, but really, again, some good stuff to look forward to over these next 7 to 10 days. So with that, I'm going to let you all go. Thank you for watching this morning. I appreciate it. Hope you all have a wonderful Tuesday. Enjoy the snow melt out there today, and we'll see you all again on another sunny Wednesday. Take care. God bless. Bye.